Today I am really excited to show you our brand new Montana 3800 front living. This unit has a ton of great features, and in today's walkthrough, we'll show you some of those key features on what makes our unit different than the competition. So we're standing outside this brand new Montana 3800 FL. As I mentioned in the intro, so many great features to talk about. First of all, this year on Montana, we went wide body. So we went from 96 inches wide to 101 inches wide. That 5 extra inches made a huge difference on the interior of the unit, which I'll show you when we get inside. But on the outside, that also made some changes too. First, and probably the most important one, is that this year, all Montanas come with a 5-year structural warranty. So all new platform Montanas, you heard it right, come with a 5-year structural warranty. That's an industry first. So you have your 1-year bumper to bumper, and then your 5-year structural, where typically that's a 3-year. The reason we did that is because we added all sorts of different things to the frame. We added gussets, we added outriggers, and we just beefed that frame up to be able to handle big units like this one. This unit comes in at 42 feet 7 inches long, but it weighs in about roughly 16,700 pounds. So as we look over to this unit, first and foremost, when we went wide body, we also had to go with a new cap. So you'll find that we have a true automotive style front cap. It's got amber lights, aggressive look, and it looks really sharp on the front end. Other things that you'll find on this front of this unit is 3 baggage doors. These 3 baggage doors have storage on the top left. On the bottom left side, that's where your optional generator can go, or it's just additional storage. And then finally on the right side, you have your spots for your inverter, you have your charge controller, you have your 6-point hydraulic leveling. All of those items are all set up right there underneath that drop frame. As we stand on the front of this unit, first you're gonna find our 6-point hydraulic leveling. This is Lippert's Titan Leveling, which is a stainless steel housing rated at 8,000 pounds per leg. It's got bigger foot pads and it's got light that shines down at the bottom as well. This is also a good spot to see the drop frame. All big Montanas come with a drop frame, which just gives you additional storage up front. Speaking of storage, on front livings, you typically don't have a ton of storage space. That front end is normally jammed in pretty tight. What you're gonna find when we get inside is this is a bigger upper deck on a front living than what you typically see in the market. By doing that, it also bodes well for additional storage. So you'll find up on the front, you have big pass-through storage that's unobstructed. It's got ABS plastic that wraps all the way around it. And like I said, tons of pass-through storage here. It doesn't even count into how much storage is in the back yet, which is what I'm really excited to show you. This also shows you your 50-inch exterior TV that will slide and drop back into that spot as well. As we look over across this unit too, you're also gonna see big windows. So these are 4K frameless windows. What that does is a couple different things. First, these windows have a astrofoil or a barrier on the back side that helps, a reflective barrier that helps keep the hot air in, cold air out, so helps insulate your unit. And then you'll also find that we went with tall slide out boxes this year. So on top of going wide body, and picking up the extra 5 inches, we also went in the tall slide out boxes in these main livings, and you'll see that they're 7 foot tall. So when we went 7 foot tall, that also means we went with bigger, taller windows, which makes it just feel wide open once you get inside. As we work our way over to the towards the front entry door, you'll also find a few things here. This square front entrance door has big piece of glass here, so that way if your pets want to look out, anything else, you've got a big piece of glass that showcases on the front entrance door. You also have the extended latch here as well, so you can open your door down below without having to step up onto your steps to access the handle. You'll see an extended grab handle here, as well as a strut assisted step. So this step will stop wherever you let go of it, so that way it doesn't come crashing down when you go to put it away. You can easily let go and it'll stop wherever you let go at. Some other great things as we work towards the back a little bit farther is running gear. So when we talk about being on a beefier chassis, right, wide body, what does that mean? You also need a really good suspension system to be able to handle that. What you'll find is on this year, on all Montanas, we've went to TCS suspension. So that's Kurt's touring coil suspension. That actually gives you 50% less dampening into the frame than what a standard leaf spring suspension would. So it is the top of the line suspension that's on the marketplace, so we're really excited to showcase that. That pairs with 8,000 pound axles, because once again, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 42 foot 7 inch unit, comes in 16,700 pounds roughly dry, GVWR is just over 19.5, so we want to make sure we're giving you big, beefy axles to be able to handle that weight and give you good carrying capacity. With those axles, you'll also find you go to 17.5-inch wheels and H-range tires. So we want to make sure we're giving you everything you need to be able to go travel the countryside. 2 big awnings that cover pretty much the whole side of your camper from that front slide back. You've got 2 big awnings. And then probably the most impactful thing is the rear storage. This unit has 17 exterior baggage doors. 17. I don't know that I've ever seen a unit that has that many exterior baggage doors. And what that means is you probably have never seen a unit that has quite this much storage. So as we look, first and foremost, that pull-out tray that we have now incorporated on every Montana floor plan, normally it's up front. On this one, we put it on the side, so this will slide out either direction. But typically when you look at raised rear ends like this pull-out tray comes out the back side of your unit. We decided to do it on the side since it's easier to access. And then plus, we didn't want to put this on the back because, as I've mentioned in other videos as well, is this year with Montana, we have built in those 2 pull-out trays that are in every single big Montana floor plan that are built into the chassis themselves. So you still get the 2 pull-out trays that are in the back. You complement that with this big pull-out tray here. And then as we work towards the backside a little bit more, you have another massive unobstructed storage spot that runs this whole length as well. And what you'll find too as you look, you don't see any plumbing that drops down and gets in the way. Typically on a front living, you've got a big pipe that comes through for that rear toilet. We went ahead and make sure we tucked that as tight as possible. So once you get all the way to the back one, you'll see just a hair of that pipe up at the top, but it is not in your way to be able to store items back here. So we made that as clean as physically possible. You have access to this storage on either side as well as the rear. So this specific storage in the back has 3 different doors to be able to access to it. Like I said, plus the rear storage that I already mentioned on that outside as well. On that off-door side, you have a convenience center that does a lot of great things. It has a true water manifold system. So it has hot and cold water shut-offs. So they have home run lines that run to every spot throughout your unit. You also have electric dump valves. So instead of having to get underneath and pull those cables or pull the cables up at the convenience center, you just have a button that you can push there. You have a Starlink prep on that outside. So if you want to add a Starlink system, it's already all prepped and ready on the outside to be able to put your satellite, and then it actually has the power running into the unit as well. And then finally on the outside too that I didn't mention is dual 40-pound propane tanks. So historically we've done dual 30s. This year we went to dual 40-pound propane tanks. So all big Montanas come with 3 different solar options. So we have our standard SolarFlex Protect, which is going to come with a 220-watt solar panel and a 30-amp charge controller. Then you jump up to our SolarFlex Discover, which has got 440 watts and an inverter. And then we have a true off-the-grid kind of big solar package, which is our Super Solar Outlast package, which has got so many things I can't mention, so jump on our website to look through all of those. So to recap the outside of this 42-foot, 7-inch, 3800 FL Montana are a couple great features, right? We talked about being wide body, so being 101 inches wide. We talked about having an industry-leading 5-year structural warranty. We also talked about having big 8,000-pound axles, TCS suspension, H-range tires, a lot of great things there. 17 baggage doors that go around this unit with probably more storage than I've ever seen on a unit. So I challenge you to find another unit that has more storage on the outside. So like I said, so many great things to talk about, and we haven't even jumped inside yet. So let's go take a look. So as we jump up into the upper deck of this 3800 FL, one thing that you might not be able to see on camera, but you can feel, is these slide out boxes are actually wider than typical. So this is a 78-inch trifold sofa, where normally you're gonna find people that do like 70s or 74s in this space. So that means you actually have seating space for 8 people in here comfortably. You have 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and 2 on the recliner that face the 65-inch TV. So you look over and you have a 65-inch television paired with a JBL soundbar and JBL subwoofer that is tucked into this cabinet over here. In our Montana line, we go hardwood across the board. So that's hardwood fascia, that's hardwood window treatment. Even your entertainment center here, this is all true hardwood on top. Even your stiles are actually a true hardwood. Normally what you'll find is people use a lumber core or a wrapped MDF on those stiles. You won't find that in our big Montana lineup. It's all true hardwood. You've got a 40-inch fireplace here. It's got a 5,000 BTU furnace, so it'll warm this area up really, really nicely for you. And then this unit comes, as all Montanas, come with 3 air conditioners. So what you'll find here is this is a 13.5-inch BTU AC, which cools off just this area. You have another AC that's all the way in the back in the bedroom. That's a 13.5 that cools off the bedroom and the bathroom. And then the big one in the in the kitchen area is the 18K Chill Cube AC. That's got the oscillating fan that will push out air all the way up into this space specifically. It's a super, super quiet AC. It runs on low amps. And so looks like you guys will really enjoy that air conditioner. One of the cool features about that AC as well is it has a remote that has a follow me function. So when you're thinking, hey, that AC is in the kitchen, well, guess what? I can sit up here with that remote control. I can have it on follow me. And it's gonna force air into this living room as well. So if this isn't enough, which it is, you'll have more air that's even pushing from the kitchen as well. So a lot of great things as we sit up here, but I think probably the most important when we get up into this upper deck is the 78-inch sofas. That's part of the reason why on the outside of the unit, I had mentioned how much pass-through storage you get in the front end. That's because we went with bigger slide-out boxes here, which also pairs really well with those big windows. So you have great cross ventilation between these 2 slide-out boxes and the other, but also great windows that you can see onto your campsite. So this is kind of up top. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. As we work ourselves down into the kitchen, first thing you're gonna see is a great hutch here that looks into the entertainment center. Hardwood top, but everything else down here is solid surface. So Montana this year went with not only a solid surface top, but also solid surface backsplash, as well as a solid surface on this island waterfall. But a couple great things you're gonna find over in this hutch that I like is that we are trying to be really intentional on giving you the space that you need. So in here, you've got little spots for your wine glasses to go through. You've got spots for your coffee cups. This is a perfect little area to slide your Keurig. So a lot of useful space that comes along with this. You'll also see over here 6 different doors and drawers on this side. A couple great things that come along with this is that double pull-out trash can that we've implemented in all of our Montanas. We've got it built in right into this spot here. You've also got your spot where you have your paper towel holder that we made sure we found different spots to be able to store that across as well. So great storage that comes along here as it looks towards the entertainment center. Once we go over into this slide out, you'll see this is a 20 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. So you have options with this. This is currently our 12 volt. You also have an option for an 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator as well. It's also stainless steel. So that'll go in either or. They both have ice makers. So whether you get the 12 volt or the residential, in the Montana line specifically, both have ice makers. So you have that set up, and then you look over towards the range, and tons of great features to talk about. First is the oversized stove. This has got a 4-burner stove. So a lot of times you'll see 3 burners. You actually get 4 here. You get an oversized oven. So if you want to be able to cook a turkey or anything else in this space, you actually have that ability since it's a true freestanding. And then abundance amounts of additional storage. So you have doors and drawers on the bottom. Up top, you've got a lot of storage above the microwave, and then on each side of the microwave, you have a pull-out spot for spice racks or different things that go into that side. And then finally, you have a pantry onto this far side that's got great storage too, that also comes with some pull-out hardwood drawers as well. When you get into front livings like this, one of the things we want to make sure we also offer is a half bath, because if not, then you're trekking all the way up past your bedroom into the master bath. So instead, we've got you a half bath built in right off of the kitchen. So you got a nice half bath for your guests, or while you're outside, easily accessible. And then you get to the island as well that I just mentioned. You've got the waterfall solid surface tops. You've got doors and drawers on this side. And then on this side, you've also got a spot for those built-in dog dishes for your pets. So every island, we want to make sure that we give those dogs, your animals, a spot to be able to have their food and water there. One other thing I want to mention when we talk about the pet drawer is also our heat runs. So this year we have gotten rid of all of the heat registers out of the floor. So every heat register is built into a toe kick or the side of a cabinet, and they're all really intentional on where we put them. And that way also with the pets, you don't have to worry about fur or dog hair or dirt, debris falling into those registers. So those are all tied in that way. Once we look over to this campsite side, some great things I want to talk about is this Deskette. So first and foremost, we have now put this Deskette in every single Montana floor plan. It gives you 2 seats here, as well as 2 additional seats that are stored, chairs that are stored underneath your bed. This will pull out, so this can slide all the way out and you can sit 4 people comfortably. The other great thing about this is it will slide right or left. So if you're at a spot that you need to do some work when you're camping as well, you can slide this to one side, make a big L-shaped desk and have a great working station as well. Or you can tuck it away during transit, or you can just have it for a little couples dinette area as well. So it's a really versatile desk that is set up in every single one of our Montana floor plans. Once again, as I mentioned before, 7-foot tall slide out boxes with extra large windows. So we want to make sure that we're letting as much natural light into this unit as possible and make sure you're seeing those great views when you're at your campsite. So we want to make sure we talk about these big windows that are built in. Before we jump into the bedroom, there's additional closet space right here as you work your way up. What you'll find too is a stick vacuum. Every single Montana unit, we're gonna come standard with a stick vacuum. Historically, we did a central vac. We felt like it was a lot easier to just give you a dedicated spot to have that stick vacuum so you can take it wherever you want. And so in this floor plan specifically, it's gonna be tied down into this closet as well. So that's just some great features from the living room and the kitchen. We haven't got to the master suite yet, so let's go take a look. As we jump into the master suite, a lot of great things to talk about. So first, hanging space. Typically in a front living, you either have hanging space off to the side towards the kitchen, or it's really minimal on this side. What we did is we built this cabinet out so you have a great hanging space. You can handle those big 17-inch hangers, hanger closet rods, all those things for your hanging space. So plenty of space here to store your clothes. You have 6 banks of drawers that are in this middle, and then that's paired with a 40-inch TV in your bedroom as well, with a nice size window that can look out onto your campsite. As you look over towards the bedroom, a few great things too to talk about in the bedroom is just king size bed with great walk around space, right? So we have good walk around space to get on each side of the bed. You go to solid surface nightstands that wrap around, which is perfect to be able to set your phone over here, use your USB-C to charge. This is also set up perfect for a small CPAP machine that's a travel CPAP that's there. You're also gonna have little elements that we try to make sure we're intentional on, which is little lights that are underneath those nightstands. So if you gotta get up in the middle of the night to go use the restroom, you can see your way to the bathroom. You'll also have nice reading lights on each side of the bed. You've got nice windows that have cross ventilation, as well as a window above the bed to let natural light in as well. As we jump into this master suite, there's some great features I want to talk about. First is you're going to see dual vanities. Typically, when you have 2 sinks, you normally don't have much countertop space. That's not the case in this 3800 FL. With the big L-shaped countertop, once again, solid surface, you have plenty of space to be able to put your curling irons, your whatever you need for getting ready in the morning or in the evening. You have that set up. What you'll also find is you have 13 doors and drawers in this bathroom as well. So plenty of storage space. And then as we look over towards the shower side, you've got your big shower with the teak seat that has multi-sprayer on your shower head. And then you've also got a really great closet here that has a spot for your washer dryer, as well as more hanging space. One more thing I want to mention as we're in the bathroom is our on-demand hot water heater. All Montanas come standard with a 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater, and your control is located here in the bathroom. So the great thing here is you can set it and forget it. So you can set the temperature that you want to take your shower at. So whatever temperature that works for you, you can set that and it'll instantly bring that hot water to your shower. So like I said, there's so many great features on this Montana 3800 FL. I'm sure I forgot some of them, but I really appreciate you taking the time to walk through it with me. Thanks again for walking through this brand new Montana 3800 FL with me. Please visit our website at www.keystonerv.com. On there, we will have our 360s, we'll have pictures, we'll have specs, we'll have videos, all sorts of great things to jump on and take a look at. Thanks again.
Keystone, proven in the wild.